Halloween and let's make some witches. I hope you enjoy the video. First, get dolly pegs. Get a spare piece of fabric and cut as shown. It's better to use felt as this is a stiff material. Cut some fabric to cover the legs. Measure on the dolly peg and cut. Stick the fabric onto the legs using hot glue. Cut the excess. Do the same with the other leg. You can keep the feet showing or make some boots. Put the dolly peg on the cloak in the correct place as shown. Stick the cloak just underneath the neck. Stick all the way down to the legs. Neaten the edges. Get some leftover sparkly trims. Now decorate the cloak in any way you like. Stick with hot glue. To make the hat, get a spare piece of fabric that's bigger than the head size and cut in a circle. You need to cut a cross in the middle as shown so it can fit in the head. Get another piece of fabric. Cut it in a 90-degree angle. Put hot glue on one end. And Then fold the other side to the hot glue as shown. And stick together. Cut the excess off the bottom. Now you have the top of the hat. Hot glue it onto the rim. Decorate the hat as you like. Now we can make the hair with some embroidery thread. Take a colour of your choice and cut just before the label. Stick in the hat as shown. Hot glue the back and the top of the head and stick it into the hat. Tidy the hair. You can do whatever hairstyle you want. You can decorate the trousers if you want. Now we are going to make the broom. Grab some sticks from outside. Make sure it fits through the legs and cut to size. Get some twine. Spread your fingers out and wind around 12 times. When you get to 12, cut the top bit. Cut all the way through the top. Cut 2 bits of spare string as shown. Bend the string in half and put a stick in the middle. Tie as shown. Bend the ends downwards around the loop. Tie as shown. Cut the ends to fit. Cut the loop at the bottom. Use hot glue to secure it onto the stick. Now the broomstick is ready! Use hot glue to stick onto the witch as shown. Your witch is now ready to fly. This is another witch I made. And another with a different hairstyle. You can hang them with fishing wire onto the ceiling. It looks like they're actually flying. I hope you try this out for next Halloween, and thank you for watching. Bye!